Mardi Gras, life a party, party hard.
Good morning, guys. Where are we going? Phoenix! Technically it's Scottsdale. Yeah. Scottsdale, Arizona. We've got our coffee, we've got our tacos.
Yeah, yum. Check out this one. Earl Campbell's famous.
Bean, potato, and cheese is where it's at. So good. Caitlin and I got our drinks.
I'm in the
Cheers. Gotta fuel up first.
Surprise! It's
Oh my god. I didn't know Caitlin was coming. We're going on a little girls trip for graduation and just the fact that school's out. And we're gonna have a good old time. We just landed in Arizona and we're gonna go to the hotel. Also, we rented a car. For lunch, we're going to Cava. You already know this is the best place to eat. Miss Rhonda and Caitlin have never been to Cava,
This is what's happening, Caroline. Layer off.
I don't have a layer under.
Everyone else, that's the Joya Spa. Right in front of the spa is a walking path that goes right through the middle of the property. So to get back up front from building 10, you'll go right through the middle there.
No brick or rock.
Oh, really?
Every house is made out of keep it.
I just showered. Caitlin and I are literally matching right now. We are. Peep this. We got the black and cream going on. There's Rhonda and TT. They're twinning with their skirts. And we're about to go shopping right now. What mall are we going to?
Biltmore Fashion Square Mall in Scottsdale.
In Scottsdale. My mom is trying out the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I'm trying to put her on it because I literally use it every single day.
Try the Very Victoria.
Yeah. I am getting this palette right here. This is the Pillow Talk Dreams. So I feel like all these colors suit me.
Okay, whatever you can spare.
Oh. Miss Rhonda just got this new hat from Urban. So cute.
No, don't.
She's trendy.
You look like strawberry shortcakes.
I got the cutest yellow one shoulder top. So excited for it.
Go Urban. Got this shirt for my boyfriend. So Drew, if you're watching this, lick off. This is what it looks like. Love it. Trying out a new style. It smells kind of funny. But... Oh, it's the sewer, not the shirt.
Where is it?
Ew. We're eating at the Yard House right now. I got tomato soup because I'm very full from Cava earlier. And yeah, I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. It's kind of loud in here. But we all got lots of good stuff. I'm exhausted though. Good morning. We just got our orders in for coffee. This is the coffee shop inside the hotel. Also, they literally have gelato, so I'm definitely going to be coming back here tonight. But yeah, I think we're going to get breakfast after we get our coffees. I got a matcha. Today's going to be a fun day. I think we're like chilling and relaxing for the whole day, basically. Also, I need to get my nail fixed. Literally, look at how disgusting that looks. My nail just broke like the second I got to the airport.
Yeah, when I Instagram, every berry.
Okay, I got the yogurt parfait for breakfast with fruit and granola. Then I also got a side of wheat toast because these jams right here are so cute and I just want to open them up.
That one.
So I am sitting outside of our little room at the resort. I wanted to put on some of the new makeup that I got yesterday. So I went to Sephora and I got two things. First, I got the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Dreams Luxury Palette. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's like their new one. It's super duper cute. So this is the outside. And then the inside looks like that. Has all the colors that I would wear, and I don't really wear eyeshadow, but I definitely want to get into it, so really excited about that. And then the second thing I got is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush. And I wanted the shade Happy, I think, but it was sold out, so I got the shade Joy. But my friend Gracie let me try hers one time, and I literally became obsessed with it. So I'll show you guys how I do it. So a little goes a long way. I'm gonna put it on my finger like that. Literally like that much. and then you just blend it out. And I'm going to film a brand deal really quick, and then I'm gonna meet Miss Rhonda, my mom, and Caitlin at the pool because they're there right now. I just had to get some work done, but breakfast was really good. 10 out of 10. And yeah, I'm so excited. Today we're also getting massages and facials. It's gonna be a good day. Hi guys. Caitlin and I just took photos, and we have been at the pool for like 3 hours. Oh yeah, so doing the airdrop of the photos. I think we're about to get drinks and eat food. Are you having fun?
I love it here.
What do you want to say? What drink do you have?
I ordered a frozen margarita. Now we're getting ready to go to the courtyard and have some salads. And then it's back to tanning.
Back to tanning, guys. You already know we're gonna be very, very glowy and sun-kissed.
Wanna try mine? It just gets like super hot, right? I know. Which one do you want? I'll just eat whatever.
We've got lots of salads.
Variety of everything.
My hair is crazy. I just took it out of my ponytail. Okay, we're going to dinner now. I didn't vlog our massage, but we got massages. Caitlin got a facial.
Feels so nice.
I did Miss Rhonda's makeup. Miss
Yes,
Rhonda.
I love it. Doesn't it look so good? Look at her.
Mom, okay.
She's so slaying right now.
I love it. Mom, how was your massage?
It was amazing.
You liked it?
I loved it.
The girl who did mine said that I had a lot of knots. So, yeah, I was in a lot of pain. But I feel great. I'm ready for some Italian food. And yeah, today was a great day.
I know that I could just forget you, but I can't really tell my heart to do a thing it doesn't wanna do.
Is it good? We're getting a taste test right now.
This is homemade pasta.
Oh, which means that
They
this is
make
homemade.
it here fresh.
I got the spicy penne alla vodka. Hello, good morning. This morning we're eating at Rock Springs Cafe. And this place is known for their pie. This is like the heart of America. Like this place is literally what America's about.
Oh, these are whole blueberries. It just melts in your mouth.
Miss Rhonda got blueberry pie. Oh no, blueberry crumble. Caitlin and I got apple. My mom got peach. Let's try this.
It's so good. You want to try this with blueberries? You've been very quiet over there. The rest of us are like, yeah.
Trying the blueberry.
Like a fruit pie?
Oh my god.
In our bikes. They're the only people. I would take a red chalk of the rock and write, help me. You know you'd be crying too. Oh. I would be sitting down there just waiting for someone to come back and get me. Help me. I wouldn't even be trying. I would just be sitting there.
I want to see them on an episode of Survivor.
Oh,
Look over here, you guys.
Okay, keep your eyes on the road.
I know, but here, look right here. Out Caroline's window to the left. The one that's like just look at
To take a little detour.
yeah.
Since we had some time because our flight isn't until 5 o'clock and we had to check out noon at the hotel. So we decided to take a road trip to Sedona.
And we're at Sedona now. Look at how freaking gorgeous this is. This is like unreal.
Look at the bench.
At the bench.
Look at this one.
She's fascinated.
This is love in action. Okay, this one I want.
This is so cute. I love it.
Should I hold the mountain?
Yeah.
All right, y'all stand together right
Wait, I'm holding the mountain.
Right there. Yes.
These are so amazing. Wait,
Okay, look at how pretty this view is right now. First off, I gotta try. This MF was $10 freaking. Diet Coke. She got a Diet Coke. We're eating like
so healthy.
rock stars right now. So healthy. Corn dogs, fries, onion rings.
Vegetable. Onion
Vegetable?
is a vegetable. Potato. Vegetable.
Hot dog.
Protein.
Ketchup is tomato.
And there is probably some type of dairy. Yeah, dairy.
Something yellow.
Don't try this at home.
I got some stuff whenever we went shopping, but I'm gonna show you guys it whenever we're in the car, because right now, one, it's really loud, and two, I don't want to take it out.
I'm not gonna open it.
First, I got this t-shirt
100 miles.
that looks like this, and then on the back it says Sedona, and then I got another shirt. This one's a long sleeve.
You got an even
Looks like
amount, right?
this,
I got 4, and then 2 low pieces even. Yeah.
and then that's the back. Cute gray shirt.
I got this t-shirt,
Cute.
and then I also got a hat that is also in this trunk.
Yeah, we got these bracelets. It was like clear for clarity.
Mine was
Caitlin's
black for energy.
black for energy. And then we got Cass one. And Cass, what was Cassidy's?
Purple for healing.
Purple for healing. Okay, we're heading back to the airport now so that we can drop off the rental car. But yeah, we're not gonna go back to the hotel because we already have our stuff and we checked out.